What if I told you, your tiny kitchen could gain extra counter space without remodeling? We tested 25 plus storage carts, and number 3 gives you double the storage in seconds. Stick around because the number 1 pick costs less than a fancy coffee maker. All Amazon links? Check the description. Let's organize. Starting at number 1. ThreeHio Microwave Cart. The ThreeHio Microwave Cart is a versatile addition to your home or office. It can serve multiple purposes, whether as a microwave stand, coffee cart, or printer shelf. The cart is equipped with lockable wheels, allowing you to move it easily and secure it in place when needed. With 4 S-shaped hooks, you can conveniently hang utensils like mugs and dish towels, keeping your space organized. Made from durable materials, this cart is designed to withstand daily use while adding style to any room. Assembly is straightforward, ensuring you can start enjoying your new cart in no time. Number 2. Amazon Basics Microwave Rack Cart. This kitchen cart is a versatile and convenient storage solution. It has a 1.5-inch wood top shelf with 2 adjustable chrome shelves. Each shelf can hold up to 50 pounds, and a total capacity of 175 pounds. The chrome shelf heights can be adjusted in 1-inch increments without tools, and it also comes with 4 chrome hooks for hanging tools. The cart is easy to assemble, has 4 smooth rolling wheels, 2 locking, and is perfect for holding a microwave or mini fridge. Number 3. Laiensia Storage Cart. The Laiensia Storage Cart is a versatile and convenient solution for all your storage needs. With its flexible movement, you can easily move and break the cart in any field, making it perfect for use in the kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom, or garage. The cart comes with classification labels that allow you to organize your items and eliminate clutter. Installation is a breeze, with clear instructions that require no additional tools. The stylish design and sturdy construction provide ample space for storing vegetables, fruits, snacks, tools, art supplies, toys, baby products, kitchen supplies, toiletries, and office supplies. With the Laiensia Storage Cart, you can keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. Number 4. OKZEST Fruit Basket Cart. OKZEST Fruit Basket Cart is a versatile small kitchen organizer and storage solution ideal for increasing your counter space. This rolling pantry cart is perfect for storing fruits, vegetables, small appliances, and kitchen essentials, ensuring easy access. It can also be used to expand pantry space by holding items like potatoes, onions, snacks, and spices. The upgraded sturdy structure makes it easy to assemble and durable. The pull-out baskets with chalk labels allow for easy organization of fruits, produce, and small items, making it a perfect fit for small spaces. Number 5. JAQ Kitchen Storage Rack. The JAQ Kitchen Storage Rack is a stylish and practical solution for organizing your kitchen. With its rotating design, you can easily access fruits and vegetables without hassle. There's no assembly required, allowing you to use it straight out of the box, making your kitchen cleaning a breeze with its rolling wheels. The detachable baskets make it simple to clean and maintain. Crafted from durable carbon steel, this rack can handle a high load, ensuring it lasts longer than typical assembled shelves. It's perfect for keeping your kitchen tidy while also being versatile enough for use in other areas of your home. So, which cart is your kitchen missing? Tag a friend who needs this. If we saved you from clutter chaos, smash that like button, share with your organizing squad, and subscribe. More genius space hacks coming. All affiliate links? You know where. Description. Happy organizing!